Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in day-to-day life or even in your household, sometimes you may get small damages on your drywall like this, okay? And it looks ugly, so it's very important for us to fix. So how we are gonna fix it? Like there are drywall repair kits available, and depending upon the damage, you can select, because for some you may need a sheet also, but for very minor like this you don't need. So what you need a drywall compound, a putty knife, okay, and you should also know the code of the paint, because once you fix this, you would like to paint over it so that the color remains the same. So the very first thing, use a sandpaper and remove any residue over here, okay. Again, it depends upon the damage, and then we are going to use putty knife to put some drywall compound on it. So guys, I have filled the drywall compound here, and right now it is pink, but once it is dried it's gonna be white. So the next step is gonna be putting the paint on it. So in this way it will look better, okay. So that is how it works guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.